Is Microsoft Office crashing because of the Xllex module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Xllex module, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Xllex module, the Microsoft Excel Lexer library. It provides unmanaged routines for parsing formulas and spreadsheet logic, managing the calculation data link for the Excel application manifest. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Xllex is distributed specifically with Microsoft Office and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Office to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Xllex module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Remember that manual replacement of Xllex module DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Xllex module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Xllex module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.